Hey guys, I thought I'd make a viral video, right? Anyway, I just wanted to kind of share my main toolbox setup, and maybe this will help some people figure out what kind of toolbox setup they want to have and how it's set up. Now, I'm just a guy that works out of his garage. I got a regular full-time job, and this is just small engine stuff is kind of a hobby of mine, make a little money on the side. So anyway, we're looking at my toolbox, my tool chest. This is a Performax. Came from Menards. Got most of this on sale actually because they changed to a different style and they put all this stuff on sale. So we got the upper section there. There's the middle section right there, and then the big section down there. So let's just kind of go through and see. Obviously the top is covered in extension cords and stuff because I can't really reach up there anyway. And we'll just start going through. We got safety glasses. Should wear those more often. Up here we've got like my valve tools. Here's my oil filter wrenches. And we got pipe wrenches, adjustable wrenches, Allen wrenches. These are the, I use these a lot. These are the Torx tools you'll see in one of my video. Long reach. There's some miscellaneous stuff. Here's my spring puller. Highly recommend getting that tool. This is my screwdriver drawer. We've got flathead screwdrivers on this side, Phillips screwdrivers on this side, and then some miscellaneous things in the middle. A couple of Torx and a little stubby guy. Here's my pliers drawer. Everything that's got like two handles. We got needle nose pliers. We've got Knipex pliers, channel locks, cutters, and locking pliers, and there's a big bolt cutters back there, so that's where that stuff goes. Down in the middle section we've got the these are all the metric combination wrenches. Yeah, look, there's a couple of 10 millimeter, they're still there. Next drawer is the SAE combination wrenches, the crowfoot wrenches. There's the little mini wrenches over there and a couple of big ones here. Next drawer, this is the Bane one right here, boy. We got the standard sockets over here, SAE. We got the metric sockets over here. We've got 3/8 inch drive. We got 1/4 inch drive with all the extensions and adapters. Here we got Torx, both male and female. And of course, there's my little Milwaukee. There's some deep well stuff there. These are my spark plug sockets. All right, now to the big section. We're looking at my Torx ratchets, a couple different sizes, 3 obviously. Here are the impact sockets and the impact drivers. Here's just some miscellaneous stuff. We got a bunch of O-rings and a couple of chisels. When these are really sharp, they work good for taking old gaskets off. Just gotta be careful on that surface. Here are punches and wire wheel and scraper blades and files. And we got the hammer drawer. My son loves this drawer. Rule is, you take out a hammer, you better clean it up before you put it back. Here's some pry bars. There's an air impact hammer. Here's my long Allen wrenches, 3/8 drive. And we've got some air tools here. And the very bottom is actually a mess because that is where I keep my grease gun and the grease gun fittings. So that is my main toolbox. And so if that helps you guys know what you might want to put in your toolbox, and I'm glad to help. And if you guys want to whine about what a mess it is, well, that's just too bad. All right, thanks guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye.